Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video we will see how to fix if your Windows 10 is showing no internet on the network icon, but actually the internet is working fine in your operating system. So how to fix this issue we will see in this video. First of all, I will illustrate you the situation. As you can see that the network icon is showing that no connections are available and it says that there is no internet. But if I load a website in a browser, I can load it fine as usual. As you can see, if I try to load any other website, I can do that very easily. So it shows that the internet is working fine in the system, yet the network icon is showing no internet, if you have noticed it. So how to fix this problem we will see. First of all, you have to modify some registry settings to resolve this issue. So open registry editor. Go to H key, local machine, then system, current control set, then services, and EnableActiveProbing, parameters, internet. In the right pane of the internet registry key, you will see some registry strings, but before modifying the registry I will recommend you to export this internet registry key and save it at a convenient location in your system, just in case if something goes wrong during editing registry key. You can simply restore the registry key later. So I will save the registry key to desktop. Then I will try modifying registry entries in the right pane. So first entry is ActiveDnsProbeContent. Type its value data as 8.8.4.4. Second value is ActiveDnsProbeContent v6. Type its value data as 2001 column 4860 column 4860 double column 8844. Next, edit the registry string ActiveDnsProbeHost and set its value to dns.google. Moving on, edit ActiveDnsProbeHost v6 and set its value to dns.google. Next, edit ActiveWebProbeHost v6 and set its value to www.msftconnecttest.com. And finally, make sure that EnableActiveProbing registry dword is set to value data 1. So we are done with the registry manipulation here. Close the registry editor and reboot your system. So after rebooting your system, you will find that the internet is now working as usual, but the internet icon is now also showing the internet access. As you can see, the website is now loading in the browser, but the good thing is that network icon is now saying internet access. In this way the problem is resolved. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.